Hi, my name is Palak. I am a student at Brandveda Digital Institute situated in Ahmedabad. I'm here to share my transformative journey with you all. So I would like to start with a very famous quote by my famous author known as Tony Robbins. Once he said, "Success is something what you want to do, with whom you want to do, where you want to do, as long as you want to do it," and which is very important in your life. And I feel the same in my journey as well. Since the time I have joined Brandveda, I can see a transformation in me, within my society, and the people who are associated with me. I feel I have gained invaluable knowledge and a true sense of purpose and confidence in me, because it has helped me to establish a brand of my own with a very tender age of mid-20s. I feel the mentor here and my faculty, Mr. Saurabh Pandey, has a great role and importance in this, because he has imparted great knowledge in me, and also his invaluable confidence has made me believe that age is just a number to fulfill your dreams, as long as you want to fulfill your dream. Also, I would like to talk about the comprehensive curriculum that he has designed, which has helped me in my business as well, which includes all the vital features and the topics that has to be there in digital landscape, which includes your search engine optimization, social media management, Google ads, etc. I feel one of the most important qualities in him is being resilient. How being resilient is that the task given by him may be daunting for now, but I feel the way he asks us to restart, like it has been said in the movie 12th Fail, that to restart again and again. Even if you fail in one of the ads, even if you fail in one of your website creation, even if you fail, then you need to restart. I felt that numerous YouTube videos, workshops would be enough for us to fulfill our dream in this digital marketing. But I feel it was not enough. Coming to this class is very important, which is not, I feel, is sufficient enough to just learn by your YouTube videos. I would say I would just not say that YouTube videos are not good, but if you're really serious about your career and if you really want to build something, because I feel the supply is more than the demand in the market. And if you want to be in that 5% supply, then being in the class is very important. And I would really recommend everyone who is really serious about their career to join Brandveda. And in the end, I would say that the only limit that you can create in your life could be in terms of commitment and inspiration. If you have limited yourself in these two areas, then I feel you cannot fulfill your dream. And after stepping out from here, I feel people who are associated with me in the brand, in establishing my brand, would always feel that I gave this 6 months, a fruitful 6 months, to the brand and to Brandveda as well. So I would recommend everyone who wants to build something, who are aspiring to build something, to come here, to be part of this institute and learn something and step out and achieve with something flying colors. Thank you so much.